When users perform a search, they expect a quick and accurate result. However, behind the scenes, a search solution must process, enrich, and structure data before making it searchable. This is achieved through a structured indexing pipeline that transforms raw data into an optimized search index. So let's break down the key components of an Azure AI search solution and understand how data flows through the search system. At the heart of Azure AI Search is the search index, which contains the structured searchable content. To populate this index, data must pass through the indexing pipeline, which consists of five main stages. So, on step one, start with the data source. A data source is where the original content resides, such as files in Azure storage like PDFs, images, videos, all of that. Then structured data in databases like Azure SQL databases, Cosmos DB, etc. Other enterprise content repositories. The search engine doesn't query data directly from the source. Instead, the data is processed, transformed, and indexed for fast retrieval. Step 2, Indexer, automating data movement. The indexer is the built-in component that automates data ingestion from the data source. It performs three key tasks. First one is extract data from source documents and then process content using AI enrichment, and then finally converts raw data into JSON format for indexing. This automated process saves time and ensures that data is structured correctly before being added to a search index. On step 3, document cracking, extracting documents. Before data can be searched, the indexer must first crack open files to extract meaningful content. This step is known as document cracking, where indexer open files like PDFs, Word docs, images, etc., and then extract text and metadata, and then finally prepare content for further enrichment. This is especially useful when working with scanned documents or rich media files where text needs to be recognized and extracted. On step 4, AI enrichment. Once raw content is extracted, the AI enrichment process enhances it using machine learning and cognitive services. This step allows Azure AI Search to translate text into different languages, recognize objects and text into images using OCR, analyze sentiment in text based documents, and then extract key phrases, names, and locations. AI enrichment is defined using a skill set, which consists of a pre built AI skills such as OCR, text analytics, and entity recognition, or a custom AI skills developed for specific business needs such as domain specific text analysis. Additionally, enriched data can be stored in a knowledge store, a separate repository that persists AI processed data for further analysis or integration into business workflows. And then finally, step 5, pushing data into the search index. After AI enrichment, the processed data is serialized into JSON and pushed into a search index. A search index is a structure similarly to a database table, which containing fields like defining what data is stored, such as product description or document titles, and then the field types define data formats such as strings, integer, boolean, and then the final one is field attributes, which controls how data is searched, stored, and filtered. For example, a search index for an e-commerce catalog may contain product name, which is searchable text, price, a sortable numeric number, and category, which is a filterable attribute. Once data is indexed, users can perform search queries and the system retrieves the relevant results instantly. So, in summary, the search indexing pipeline transforms raw, unstructured data into an optimized search index, making it easier to retrieve through queries. Data sources provides the original contents. Indexers automate data extractions. Document cracking extract text from various file formats, AI enrichment enhances data with intelligence insights, and then finally, the search index organizes content for fast and accurate retrieval. So, with Azure AI Search, organizations can integrate Azure AI Power Search into applications, delivering fast, relevant, and intelligent search experiencing.